In the stillness of the night, when shadows draw near, George Ashmead, remember, the Lord's always here. In Psalm 30, he turns our mourning to joy. With each passing moment, his love will employ. Jesus watches over you day by day. In your darkest moments, he's lighting the way. His healing surrounds you like a warm embrace. George, keep faith, you're held in his grace. Isaiah 41, fear not, for I am near. His promise is steadfast, you have nothing to fear. With every heartbeat, he knows all your pain. In the midst of the storm, his love